I would far rather a client or an investor didn't buy through me than buy the wrong thing.
How do you help clients choose the right developer and project to minimize risk and maximize potential returns?
This is a really, really important point. There are over 100 developers in the Dubai market. Some of them I would absolutely work with again and again, and some of them I would absolutely avoid. That's the first stage, narrowing down which options we would even consider. After that, we need to discuss with the investor a little bit of a risk profile. We want to find out whether they're more of an opportunity investor, i.e. wanting to get into an area early, phase 1, phase 2, find an up and coming community, get the lowest price per square foot. However, they're going to be going somewhere where there might not be any amenities yet, the infrastructure might not be there yet, the malls, the shops, the roads, etc. So it's a little bit of a longer term play. Or are they more of a security investor where they want to go to a community which might already be half built, infrastructure is going to be there, some of the buildings might already be completed. Do they want to go in on something that's still off plan but buy it secondary from another investor that bought at launch? So that's what we've got to kind of decide. Who is it that's sitting in front of me and what is it that they're comfortable with? After that, we need to look at their investment cash flow. So how much of a deposit do they have available now? What kind of liquid cash have they got for the down payment? Is it ready to go now? Or is it going to be ready in 3 months if they have to liquidate funds, sell a property, cash in stocks and shares? Because the market does move fast. So if the money isn't ready at the time you're looking, there's almost no point in really digging too deep into opportunities. The good ones are going to be gone. We'll look at what their cash flow is over the investment period. So if it's 3 years, are they going to have cash flow coming in to cover those payment plans? And then we'll look at what do they want at the end of it. Is it going to be a place to live in? So we need to obviously take the emotion from it and find them something that they love and they're going to be happy to stay in. Is it a pure investment? If it is, what's their rental strategy at the end of it? Do they want a long-term rent? Do they want to be able to Airbnb it so maybe they can use it as a holiday home when they're coming to Dubai? And we need to think about whether they want to own it outright or whether they're happy to leverage something like a mortgage. As an example, if someone's got £100,000 available with £200,000 available over a 3-year period and they want to own that property outright, I know the maximum budget's 300,000. However, if they're happy to leverage a mortgage at 50% with those same figures, then I know you've got 300,000 available during the payment plan. On, say, a 50-50, our maximum budget is now £600,000. So these are important factors to kind of look at before we even talk specific projects. Because I could just end up throwing projects at you and none of them are going to meet the criteria, or you're not going to meet the criteria for those projects, and it's just a waste of everyone's time. So first of all, we've got to do a bit of a fact-finding mission, find out exactly where you sit across all these various factors, and then bespoke an investment option based on those answers.